Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 and I'm going to show you how you can take a selfie by showing your palm of your hand in front of the front camera. So at the first, let's open our camera. After that, let's go for the settings, and here we have to go for the shotting methods, and we have to turn on this show palm switcher, and after that we have to switch to our front camera. So here I am, and after showing the palm, the smartphone is going to take a photo, and as you can see, that's how it looks. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe to our channel. See ya!